Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it feels really weird to be back in front of the camera. I haven't done this setup in a long while. Definitely need to change the background, I know, but that will be changing very soon, just you bear with me. Anyway, today marks the start of a new series that I want to start on my channel. It's called 3-Minute Makeover, basically where I take a squishy makeover and give it to you in a video in under 3 minutes. I know you guys don't have too much time on your hands anymore to be watching like 15 to 20 minute squishy kind of makeover videos, so I figured I would just bring you lots of kind of mini ones so that you can kind of click on the ones that you want to see being made over, and then you could just skip past the ones you don't, and hopefully you can fit more of these into your day, or when you have a few minutes in the morning when you're eating your cereal or having a snack in the evening or something, you can just pop them on and it'll be the best timing for them. So I'm going to be posting these every other day of March, so you should get about 6 of them in the next few weeks. Hopefully you really enjoy them. If you could give them a thumbs up to let me know if you want me to carry them on, everything like that, I would be really grateful. So anyway, I'm just going to get straight on into the video. As you've seen by the thumbnail, this is the squishy I'm giving a makeover today. This is the before. I think it's super cute and I do absolutely love it. I do have 2 of these, and this one here is a little bit broken with the tail and the foot, so I figured this will be the perfect one to give a makeover to today. Anyway, I just went in with my scissors. I cut off the little ears. I'm so sorry, Molang. I don't mean anything personally. I really need to shape these. I'm so sorry. I felt really guilty doing this, not gonna lie. I then went ahead and cut the whole entire thing of Molang's face off. Again, really sorry, Molang. I really had to do this. Anyway, I then went ahead and cut the feet and the arms and the tail off, and again, I felt so guilty. But I know that I was going to turn this into something different, and it was okay. We're going to make him one of a kind. Anyway, I then noticed there was a little hole in the top of the head, so I just stuffed a little bit of foam in there and shaped it out again, and then I glued back on all the legs and the arms, so then I felt a little bit, you know, better about cutting them off in the first place. I then went ahead and mixed up a yellow puffy paint mixture, and I just painted the whole thing with this yellow colour. It took about 2 days, not gonna lie. I did do about 6 layers of this yellow and let it dry in between coats. So yeah, it took that long. Anyway, I then went ahead and painted the top of the little guy in a red, and then I put a white stripe all the way around it with some red stripes on again. If you can't tell what this is already, then you haven't been on my channel long enough. But anyway, I just went ahead and popped the face on. So all completed, this is what the little guy looks like. I definitely think the eyes a little bit too big, but I think it's cute regardless. I love this little stripy suit it has on, and I think it's so adorable. It definitely looks way different to the before. I will pop that on screen for you now so that you can check it out. This is how the squishy turned out. I'm absolutely in love with it. If you did like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up and let me know that you want more of these on my channel. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!